Very large main pool. There are hot tubs on either side of it. There's also a large slide structure. There is a bar, full bar over here that also has limited menu available. One of the hot tubs. It's a zero entry pool. Perfect for the kids. There's actually a little water slide here too for very young children. See the main water slide right there. Water feature. This is normally on. This is just like a splash pad. The water is coming up out of the ground and the kids can play in it. And then above the pool is the Artist Palette, which is the main dining area. It is a fast casual, good menu selection for all 3 meal periods. This is the carriage house. It's the main entrance over there where you get dropped off if you're arriving from an airport. The buses are there. That's where you go in for check-in. And then again, this is the Artist Palette, which is dining. There's also a small retail store for you can purchase food for your unit, but you can also purchase numerous souvenirs. There's outdoor tables, limited, and there's a lot of indoor dining as well. There's also a full service restaurant in there, which is the Turf Club, more of a higher end restaurant. And then the spa is down there. We'll walk over towards the spa. You can see the pool again. And we'll be able to see the water slide as well from up here. Is the top of the water slide. Come up through the stairs. And that's the spa, full service spa.